Our first stop is the Bamboo Island, which was a bit better last year because it wasn't so crowded like this time. Maya Bay with some other people, a little bit crowded and busy and crazy. Thank you. See you. Thank you. Do you think this is the most beautiful beach in Thailand? No. Do you think this is the only place where you can find this white sand? No. Do you think this beach has the clearest water? No. Do I recommend Maya Bay? Absolutely not. I think you can find better places than this, with less people, same beautiful scene, same amazing sand, but more clear water and cheaper prices in the buffet. Everything can be better in a place, and you won't find anything about Lao here from the beach, so it's highly over marketing place. Pipi Island. I mean, Ko means island, so Pipi Island or Ko Pipi. Lunch is done. I'm drinking my coffee, and after we will go around to check Ko Pipi, which also isn't a big deal. I don't know why these people coming here. There is no any famous, I don't know, statues or church or temple or anything. The tsunami demolished this place I don't know how many years ago, so there is nothing from the past, nothing, no any history here. Also very crowded, but I think you already realized I like the more hidden places without many people and our next stop is the Monkey Beach. That's all about Monkey Island. Some monkeys making photos about others. We stopped for our snorkeling here with a beautiful scene again. And unfortunately I cannot show what is inside the water because, as I told you before, I lost my GoPro. So please, someone send me a GoPro, or please send me some money to buy a GoPro. But I don't want to miss this opportunity. And back to Railay again. Ta-da! That was our program for today, but it's not raining, so I will show you the island. Railay Beach is a peninsula and it's cut by this mountain from the mainland, so you can reach Railay Beach only by the boat, even if it's a peninsula. It has 3 main beaches or coasts. I am now in the Railay West, which is a sandy beach, but not so clean because most of the boats are parking here. So it's not that clean, and it's a bit more dramatic now because there is the low tide. So I prefer another beach, which I will show you later, and which called the Cave Beach. This is the second part of the island, and the third part of the island is the East Railay, the east coast, which is the worst in cleanness because it has a dirty mangrove forest that side. You cannot beach there, but most of the restaurants and those kind of places are there, so I'm gonna show it now. The sign says last bar, but it's not true. There is one more bar, but I won't show it now because the last night I will organize our firework party there, and then you will see it. Bars, restaurants, travel agency, dirty coast, Thai massage, and that's it, I think, in this coast. And I will show the last. This is the cave of the Cave Beach, which is a temple and also a very, very interesting / strange place. Check it out. And in the evening I will show this bar for you. My favorite one here in Railay Beach, called Bang Bang. So, see you in the evening here. Houston, there is a problem. I kicked a sugar rock, so I think my finger is broken. Oh, that was so fun. I really recommend this bar because the cocktails are awesome. He made all the cocktails with alcohol for sure, but with real fruits. So they are shake cocktails kind of. Try it if you come to Railay Beach.